Hello guys, we're back in another video of MeTechs, and in this video I'm going to tell you something so good, way too fabulous and so useful. It will be useful for all of you, not means it's not like it will be only useful for elders, college students, university students. It is also useful for students from school. So yeah, let's get started. Today I'm going to tell you how to convert PDF to any means most used format in the world, like PDF to Word, PDF to PPT, PDF to Excel, and Excel to PDF, Excel to PDF, and Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you two websites in this video, and I'm going to share other links in the description which is good for you, and you get started. So let's start. The website which I'm going to tell is ilovepdf.com. So by the name only you can guess that this website is for PDF, means it says I love PDF. Okay, so here written every tool you need to work with PDFs in one place. So this is online, you don't have to install any app for this, so it's easy. But for a app will take more memory and storage. So I don't think we have to install an app for that. It will take more storage, memory, and everything. So if we can do it online, so it's more better and best. So I like one feature in this website called PDF to JPG. Convert each PDF page into a JPG or extract all images contained in a PDF. Means you can turn a PDF to a photo. Simple. I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna select the PDF file which I want. So I want this PDF file. So this is a PDF file. It's written .pdf.com. So I'm just gonna change the name. Okay, so here it is. So now page to JPG or extract images. I suggest you to do page to JPG. Other is your wish. So I'm just gonna click this button for convert to JPG. So now it will convert PDF to JPG. So it is 1 second. It took 1 second, and now it will download automatically, as you can see here. So here it's written, and here's the picture. So I'll show you the PDF of this. This is the PDF of the photo. This is PDF, and now it has been converted to a picture. So you can see it's so good, so easy, and it's wonderful. So I'll show you one more feature in this. Okay, I'll show you one more feature called it is called PDF to Word. Like you all want to convert PDF to Word, like for holiday homework. If you can't print, you can convert PDF to Word. Like all of your teachers or your lecturers or professors send you PDFs for your homework. So if you can't print that, you can just simply convert that to Word, and you can just write the answers in that. That's so good and so useful. So I'm just gonna select PDF file here. I have the same PDF file. So it's now just click convert to Word, and now converting PDF to Word. Now it's converted. Now it will automatically download the Word file. So it's converted. So here you can see the PDF file converted to doc, means Word. Now Word is opening, and here is our file called Word. So now I can change anything in there. So I will change. So I can erase this. I can write something in this. So I wrote something in this. Now I can save this. I can do anything with it because this is Word. I can draw shape in this. I'll show you. Here I can draw this. It's here. This. I can do anything in it. Then we can save it and send to your teacher, someone who sent the PDF. So I wish you know now how important is this to you all. If you don't need it now, you can use this in your future. It can be useful in your future. So yeah, this was the first website. Now second website is smallpdf.com. This is also a good website, but this is a paid website and that was a free website. So I recommend you can use a free website called ilovepdf.com. But if you want this, it's your wish. I'm not gonna say you don't take this, but it's your wish to pay for that. There's a free 7-day trial for small PDF. You can try 7 days free. You have to log in this, but then you have to pay after free 7-day trial. So I suggest this, but it's your wish. You can do this also. So I wish today's video was useful for all of you, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share my channel to everyone and share this video to everyone so they can get the knowledge as well. So see you, tada, bye bye.